Master Educational Services, Premier Data Analysis and Statistical Services. At Master Educational Services, we pride ourselves on offering top-tier data analysis and statistical services. Our team consists of elite statisticians, data analysts, and engineers, ensuring that every piece of data is meticulously analyzed and every insight is effectively communicated. Quantitative and qualitative data analysis. With our expertise in tools like SPSS, SPSS AMOS, and eViews, we delve deep into numerical data to extract actionable insights. Whether it's understanding numerical trends or interpreting subjective content, our qualitative analysis using NVivo ensures that no nuance is overlooked. Quantitative data analysis application. In fields like finance, engineering, and medicine, quantitative analysis helps in understanding numerical data, making predictions, and evaluating outcomes. It focuses on measuring data and expressing it in numerical terms. Tools we use. SPSS and SPSS AMOS, widely utilized for various statistical tests and modeling. eViews, used mainly for econometric and time series forecasting. Qualitative data analysis application. Employed in social sciences, anthropology, and market research to interpret non-numerical data such as text, images, or audio clips. It helps uncover patterns, themes, and categories within the data. Tools we use. NVivo assists in coding and thematically analyzing textual data. Geostatistical and spatial analysis. Unravel the mysteries of spatial data with our geostatistical tools. Whether it's understanding the spatial patterns or predicting geographical trends, our expertise in ArcGIS ensures your data speaks the language of space and location. Geostatistical analysis application. Used in fields like environmental science and mineral exploration to model spatial patterns and variations in a set of data points across geographical spaces. Tools we use. ArcGIS provides tools and functionalities specifically for geostatistical evaluations. Spatial analysis application. In urban planning, transport planning, and environmental science, spatial analysis evaluates the spatial patterns and processes. It can help in understanding the distribution of a particular disease in an area or the optimal location for a new store. Tools we use. ArcGIS, renowned for its robust spatial analysis capabilities. Bibliometric analysis. Navigate the intricate web of academic literature using our bibliometric analysis. With tools like VIOS Viewer, we ensure that you get a holistic understanding of literature trends, citation networks, and emerging academic domains. Bibliometric analysis application. Commonly used in academia and research to analyze the frequency of journal articles and their citation patterns. Helps in understanding the impact and progression of a particular research field. Tools we use. VIOS Viewer constructs and visualizes bibliometric networks. Data visualization and analytics. Data tells a story, and with our advanced visualization tools like Tableau, we ensure this story is vivid, interactive, and easily digestible. Dive into the depths of data analytics with tools like Hive and Hadoop, ensuring every byte of data is transformed into meaningful insights. Data visualization application. Similar to the above but focusing purely on representing data visually for better understanding and decision-making. Tools we use. Tableau, as mentioned, it's a leader in data visualization. Reach out for excellence. For unparalleled data visualization, meticulous research, comprehensive analysis, impeccable analytics, and expert writing, connect with Master Educational Services. For transformative data analysis and statistical analysis services, dial WhatsApp phone number, +91 888 222 0044. Data visualization and data analytics application. Across all industries, visualizing data helps stakeholders comprehend complex data structures and insights easily. Analytics dives deeper into the data to derive patterns, insights, and actionable intelligence. Tools we use. Tableau, renowned for interactive and visual data exploration. Hive and Hadoop, for managing and analyzing big data. Predictive analytics and time series analysis. Forecast the future with precision. Our predictive analytics solutions, powered by R and Python, help businesses anticipate trends, market shifts, and customer preferences. Coupled with our time series analysis, we ensure you're always a step ahead of the curve. Predictive analytics application. Used in fields like marketing, finance, and operations to forecast future trends based on historical data. For instance, predicting stock market movements or future sales for a product. Tools we use. R and Python, popular programming languages with extensive libraries for predictive modeling. Big data analysis. Application, in sectors like e-commerce, telecommunications, and finance, big data analysis helps manage and analyze vast amounts of data to extract patterns, customer preferences, and market trends. Tools we use. Hive and Hadoop, essential tools for handling big data structures. Machine learning integration. Embrace the future with our machine learning solutions. Using TensorFlow, we empower your datasets to predict, automate, and evolve, ensuring your business stays relevant in an AI-driven world. Machine learning integration application. Applied across industries, from finance, for fraud detection, to healthcare, for disease prediction. Machine learning models learn from data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Tools we use. TensorFlow, an open-source library for developing and training machine learning models. Time series analysis. Application, crucial in finance for stock price predictions, in meteorology for weather forecasting, and in economics for analyzing economic indicators. Tools we use. R and Python, both languages offer robust packages for time series forecasting. Customer segmentation analysis. Understand your audience at a granular level. Our advanced customer segmentation techniques, powered by the synergy of our tools, ensure targeted marketing, personalized services, and enhanced customer experiences. Customer segmentation analysis application. Vital in marketing and sales to categorize customers based on certain criteria like purchasing habits, demographics, or behavior. Helps in targeted marketing and product positioning. Tools we use. R and Python, used for clustering and classification tasks in customer segmentation. Reach out for excellence in research and analysis. Elevate your academic endeavors with our top-tier UG, PG, Masters, and PhD data and statistical analysis services. Dial WhatsApp phone number, +91 888 222 0044 for unmatched expertise and insights. For a comprehensive understanding of our offerings, visit our website at www.mastereducationservices.com.master-level Academic and Research Analysis Services. Master the art of research with our specialized data and statistical analysis services, tailored distinctly for varying academic levels and subjects. Educational levels and specializations. PhD, Masters, MBA, MSc, MTech, MD, LLM. Management and Data Science. We harness SPSS, SPSS AMOS, and eViews for advanced business and data analytics. Science. We rely on NVivo, ArcGIS, and VIOS Viewer for deep scientific data analysis. Medical. We trust SPSS and NVivo to unveil medical insights and health trends. Law. We decode legal data sets with precision using NVivo and Tableau. UG, BBA, and PG. Arts. We decode cultural and artistic trends with NVivo and VIOS Viewer. Management. We optimize business decisions with the visualization prowess of Tableau and Hive. Formats. We expertise in dissertations, theses, project reports, research papers. Empower your research with advanced tools we use. From SPSS's detailed statistical insights to Tableau's unparalleled data visualization, our toolkit is expansive and adept, ensuring your research stands out. Data Analysis Tools Mastery. From the nuanced analysis in SPSS and eViews to the visual brilliance of Tableau and Hive, our expertise spans a comprehensive toolkit, ensuring precision and clarity in every research endeavor. Reach out for excellence in research and analysis. Elevate your academic endeavors with our top-tier UG, PG, Masters, and PhD data and statistical analysis services. Dial WhatsApp phone number, +91 888 222 0044 for unmatched expertise and insights. For a comprehensive understanding of our offerings, visit our website at www.mastereducationservices.com.